Are you trying to sign up for your BOI filing so you don't get fined $500 a day by the US government, but you don't want to pay someone to do all the work for you? I'm going to walk you through exactly how I did it, and it took me about 5 minutes when all said and done. It's a hell of a lot easier than you think it is.
Let's go! We can go ahead and get started. Let's go!
What's up, everybody? This is Jason from Eo7 Media, and if you're anything like me, you probably got one of these letters in the mail, or maybe in your email telling you that if you are an LLC or SCORP or some other type of small to medium-sized business, that you need to sign up for this new BOI filing or face up to $500 a day in fines from the US government. Filing for your BOI is not as hard as they're making it out to be. In fact, it's really easy. If you actually look at the website, the FAQ is insane. I mean, granted, they're dealing with a ton of information, but if I scan through here, this is a ton of information. And if you're anything like me, that's ridiculously imposing and freaky. So it makes me just want to call my CPA and go, Scott, please do this for me. However, this year, I need to save a little bit of money. So I'm going to figure out how to do this myself, and it was so easy. Let's jump in. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to boiefiling.fincen.gov. Now, if you go on to Google and look for this, you're actually going to find a bunch of other websites before you actually find the government site, and that's all SEO stuff, people trying to get you to spend money on other things. Actually type into the URL, and then you're going to go down to here, and then you're going to file BOIR. It's going to offer you two different options. You can either download a PDF and do it from your desktop, and this is what it looks like once it's downloaded. You can go through here and file everything as a PDF, but today I'm going to show you how to do it online because it was so freaking easy to do. So you're going to choose the second option here, web, prepare, and submit. Make sure you are saying yes, like you are legal. You're like, this is good to go. Now, if you have not done this yet, if this is your first time doing this, you are going to click right here on the very first option, initial reporting. Now, if you're coming back to do this, obviously, you know going through this, why are you watching this video? So you're going to click on the first initial report right here, click next, and do you want to request and receive a Fincen ID? Now, technically, you do not have to do this. The reason you would do this is because if you have to go back through this again, or if you want to file something else in addition to this, it's just going to give you a number to identify you so you don't have to refill out all your information. Personally, I didn't choose this option. I'm going to leave that up to you if you want to or not. So right here, the reporting company legal name, this is the name of your business. The next option right here is your form of identification, tax ID. Drop down to EIN, Social Security, or foreign. I'm going to explain how I did things, so hopefully it's going to correlate to what you did. So my EIN number, which I'm not going to type in here for obvious reasons. If you have foreign taxes, you want to click on what country you're in, your jurisdiction or formation of the first registration. You're going to click what country you're from. I'm from the United States of America. What state? I'm from Illinois. I guess if I spelled it right, it would be pretty easy, or I can just drop down and find it. And your current US address. Going to the next section under company applicants, if you are having someone else fill this out for you, this is the area where you're going to put their name and their information, i.e. your CPA or your tax accountant or whatever. But if you are doing this yourself and your business is started before January 1st, 2024, you're going to want to click on existing reporting company. And yes, it'll tell you that it's going to erase the information below in case you typed it out. So I'm going to click on the existing reporting company. Next section, the beneficial owners. Now the beneficial owners is who owns the actual business. Now, if you have an LLC or an S-Corp or whatever else is on here, you might have multiple owners instead of just a sole proprietor. Are you a parent or guardian? No. Since this first section doesn't apply to me, I'm skipping it because I am the owner of my business and I am a legal adult.
Making that money.
Legal name and birth date. We're going to enter your last name here. Going to enter your first name, middle name, suffix, and your date of birth, including the slashes. Now, since I am putting in my birthday right there, I am asking you for an early birthday present. Go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel, and that'll just mean the world to me because we do a lot of cool shit here. Residential address. You're going to enter your residential address into here, including your country, i.e. it's probably United States of America, including the state, city, and postal code. Now, form of identification is important. So the first option you're going to choose right here is select an ID type, and that constitutes as a state-issued ID, a U.S. passport, or a foreign passport. Now, for this instance, I am going to be using my driver's license for this. So I enter the driver's license. I enter my driver's license number. Right here, I type in the country again, my state, and then you are going to upload a picture of your license or your passport. So all you gotta do is scan it in, take a picture, whatever is easiest for you. Now we're moving on. And then the final page, make sure you give them your email, first name, last name. Make sure you agree to this, that all your information is correct. Obviously, I didn't fill anything out for this one. And then make sure that you tell them that you're human, and boom. That's it. You're done. It is my core belief that we here at Eo7 Media want to do amazing and awesome things for other businesses. If this helped you, we would love to hear about it. Make sure you check out the other awesome content on this channel, as we have podcasts galore and information of value for business owners. That's it. I'm done advertising, but I do want you to know that you should do something awesome today. And remember to be better.
Let's go!